Hi, my name is Dave Farnham, and today we're going to take a look at how you add a document into your Church360 Unite website. The first thing that we're going to do is navigate to the page we're going to add our document to. So I'm going to come in here into my newsletter page. Now I'm going to go over to the left side and click on the Edit Page button. Now I'm in my edit mode, and it has the dotted lines around there. As soon as I click on the page, then my WYSIWYG editor appears. So I'm going to then add in the wording where I want to link to it. So my document is going to be called July newsletter. Then I'm going to highlight those words, July newsletter. I'll go up to the link option in my WYSIWYG editor, click on that, change the link to drop down to link to a file that users can download, and then I'm going to upload my document. So it's my July newsletter, so it's uploaded now, and then I'll click on OK, so it's going to link to it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here and click on the Save button. But then what I want to do, now that it's linked to that document online, and it's a URL that it links to that document where it's saved, I'm going to highlight this once again. I'm still in my edit mode. I'm going to click on the link button there. Now that it's hyperlinked to this URL that you can see here showing up, and that's exactly the location of where our document is residing on the servers, now I'm going to change the target, meaning that when they click on it, I want it to open up in a brand new window so they don't leave the church website and just jump to that document. I want them to open up a new tab. So I'm going to say a new window. And now I'm going to click OK. Now I'm going to go down to the bottom left and click on the Save button. I'm going to take it off the edit mode by clicking on the Cancel. Now when I click on this link, it's going to open up in a new tab so we can see my document for my newsletter. So that's how you add in a document into Church360 Unite, and also how you link it to open up in a brand new page. I hope this has been helpful for you, and have a wonderful day.